All right, so let's draw these out fairly quickly here. We've got the first angle is 45 degrees. That's A. Part B is 190 degrees, so it's past the 180 mark a little bit, so there's 190 degrees. Number C is 330 degrees, so we're going all the way around nearly to 360, so there's 330, quadrant 4. And lastly, we've got D, which is negative 70 degrees. So we're going to go counterclockwise this time, not all the way to 90, but close. So that's also in quadrant 4. So that's negative 70 degrees. So this one is 330. And this angle here is negative 70. So let's just draw them all in standard position. Now for each angle, state the reference angle. So the reference angle in part A is the smallest angle with the x-axis, so angle reference is 45 degrees. In the second example, it's this angle right here, which is with the x-axis, which is 10 degrees. So the reference angle is 10 degrees. In the purple one, we've got the smallest angle with the x-axis being this one right here. So if that's 330 all the way around, there's only 30 degrees missing to get to 360. So the smallest angle, or the reference angle with the x-axis, is 30 degrees. And in this one, it's 70 degrees. So we've got the reference angle done. Now we're going to do two coterminal angles for each of them. So in each case, we could add 360 to the question and get to the same spot. So one coterminal angle for the red one is 360 plus 45, which is 405 degrees. Or you could go in the negative direction. So going counterclockwise around like this, we could do negative 315 degrees. Those are two options. For the green one, we could go negative to get to the same spot, so a coterminal angle is negative 170 degrees, or we could do 360 plus 190. Which is 550 degrees. In the purple one, we could go counterclockwise to get to the coterminal, so that's negative 30 degrees. Or we could go 180 plus 330. And 180 plus 330 is 510. And lastly, with the gray angle, we could go clockwise like that to get to the same angle. So coterminal would be 290 degrees. Or we could go 290 plus 360, which is 650 degrees.